All right, welcome to our Haven floor plan. Now there are three really cool things I want to share with you about this plan that you might not be aware of, even if you walk through it. And at the end, I'm going to share how you can get the payment on this home of a home that's $100,000 less than the price of this home. That's right, you will have a payment as if the home you were purchasing was $100,000 less than this one. Stay tuned till the end for the details on that awesome incentive. Feature number one is called the Safe Haven. And in the Safe Haven, we've designed this plan so that the master suite, the study, all the living spaces are here on the first floor. And all the kids' spaces are upstairs. You got a game room, 2 bedrooms, and a bathroom upstairs. So when you have friends over, adults downstairs, kids upstairs, and you have a safe haven. Feature number two is the master suite with the snooze button built in. Basically what we mean by that is that the master bedroom has access to the master bathroom, master closet, and directly into the laundry room. And then after you go through the laundry room, you never have to go back through the master bedroom again. So if one of you wants to sleep in the morning and the other one gets up early and it wants to leave and go out through the garage door, you have access to that space without walking back through the master bedroom. And that's why we call it a master suite with a snooze button built in. Feature number three is a powder bathroom. I know it's a simple feature to point out, but the great thing about a powder bath on the first floor is that in this series of our homes, we don't have very many plans that have that. And when you have guests over, that way your guests don't have to use the same bathroom that your kids are using. And we know that kids can get a little bit messy in that downstairs bathroom. So this kind of gives you that extra bathroom to keep things clean and tidy so when you have guests over, it's not crazy. All right, the last thing I want to tell you about is the incredible incentive that we're running right now. This is the best incentive we've run in the 35 plus year history of Shaw Homes. Right now, if you were to take advantage of a home like this, you get a $25,000 incentive on this home. Now we can use those incentive dollars to buy down your interest rate or pay closing costs or take it off the price of the home. If you use it to buy down interest rate, that is a permanent rate buy down for the entire life of the loan, the whole 30 years. Not just a short introductory 1 year or 2 year rate, but we're gonna typically be able to buy down your rate enough so that you would have the payment that you would have on a home that costs $100,000 less than this home right here. If you want to take advantage of that, just give us a call today. We'll be glad to show you the homes we have available ready for move-in here in Bixby Meadows.